Before the video begins, check it out.
That's a cheater, bro.
I shuffled it. We want to thank Kevin for creating this tagline.
Such a cheater, bro.
And repeating it numerous times.
Oh, you're such a cheater, bro.
To the point that it's on a shirt.
Cheating is so hard.
So again, if you want that link down in the description below, only 14 days, and then it will be gone forever. Get on with the video.
I'm an even deader robot. Human has escaped.
Hello and welcome to Battle Universe. Today we're playing Robot Prison Escape. And the goal of the game is for me as a prisoner to escape this entire complex. Their goal is to stop me from escaping, but Joe, excuse me. They are not allowed, They're not allowed to leave their designated lines, okay? And there's one twist. There's going to be a repair droid going around, so if I end up shooting them, they can actually get repaired and come back to life. Let's begin.
I am a brobot.
Beat bop.
Your teeth! This robot doesn't know balance, apparently.
What are you doing? Go! Get out of here!
Balance. I am a grope bot.
Did he say grope bot?
Prisoner has escaped. Prisoner has escaped.
I am a robot.
My visor is
I
making
see
me
you.
busy.
No, it can't end like this. Oh, did I get him? Wow, look at this.
Yes. Goals.
Got him!
I am a dead robot. Ow. My face.
Beat.
I am an even deader robot. Human has escaped. Or prisoner has escaped. Prisoner has escaped. What? Oh, gun malfunction. You want donuts? What? My gun broke too.
It is so lonely.
Oh wait.
Beat bop.
Oh, you got me. I am alive. Oh. I go kill him now. Oh no, wait. I'm back on. Must have been. Oh wait. I see nothing. He gone. I am a brobot. I am a brobot.
Beat.
Revive bot. Calling Dr. Bot.
From that far away, dude.
Revive bot. Come here.
Calling Dr. Bot. A slow bot.
I have cramps in my butt cheeks.
Go and no and row.
What was that?
Dr. Bot. I'm dead.
You're dead already.
Did you kill Revive bot? Revive bot.
Almost there.
Beat bop. Beat. Prisoner!
Oh, she got blocked.
Prisoner has escaped! Prisoner has escaped!
Oh, where's Revive bot?
Prisoner!
Revive bot cannot revive himself. What, he died?
Prisoner?
I didn't know they made robots so
The other robot died?
Got her.
Just for good measure.
Where's that Terror Scout at?
Paul.
Thermostat. What? Oh.
Bot, I miss you.
Man, if I was a
Okay, bye.
ventriloquist, I'd be able to fool her. I see, woman.
Shoot.
Prisoner has
I see.
escaped. Prisoner has escaped.
Dang it. This isn't good. This isn't what I wanted to happen. Oh, dang it. Nope. How much ammo do you have left?
Break time.
Stay on your path. Stay on your path.
Headshot. Goodbye, friend.
It's a disappointment.
Try again, Sam.
my second rule. That's good. Break time over.
I thought you were a prisoner.
Oh, Susanna.
Break shift is the best shift.
I hit you with the... I stunned you. How's your donut? No.
Robot, help me. Robot, help me.
Heck, yes. Do I have to kill them all? Can I just go now?
Ew.
Thank you. Come
It's
again.
delicious.
That is one fat robot.
Oh! You think I have my donut?
Yay!
Take a bullet out of the top.
It's a great day to not be alive.
What?
No, you have to go all the way down.
I'm not going down the stairs. The prisoner's right here. Why would I go down the stairs?
Can't go anywhere. You're a jerk.
Stairs don't exist in my life right now. Prisoner has escaped.
Prisoner has escaped. Prisoner has escaped.
But this robot is too lazy to keep searching. I might need to look downstairs, but no. I guess I'll have to search down. Just kidding.
Go down, bud. Go down.
I am a lonely robot.
Hi, robot.
I got missiles.
No, these are the EMP grenades? Okay, I got them.
Okay. Hello, Dr. Bot. Stop! You're scaring me. Take his gun.
Damn bot.
What?
Thanks.
Short circuit! Damn bot.
What?
Thanks. That's what
Hi,
I
Joe
thought.
How was your past, Joebot?
How about it? We're clear there.
Your past.
My past?
Beep. Stop.
Everything dies.
That thing died.
Prisoner has escaped. Prisoner has escaped.
Beep.
Prisoner.
Beep. Prisoner.
That makes you feel better. Just break this thing completely down the middle.
Where?
It's just
Big
breaking
prisoner.
more. Here we go. We got a perfect storage pouch for my missiles.
Headshot.
Doctor, come here.
Enemy down.
You want to let him in? All right, you need to get out of the...
friend.
Headshot.
Hi, Ted.
That's my dad. He sucks.
He sucks.
I
Beep.
love my job so
Beep.
much.
Beep. Stop.
I can't with that. Oh!
Beep.
This feels like it's happened before.
Intruder alert. Intruder alert.
Prisoner has escaped.
I shot him in the head, but
Prisoner
okay.
has escaped.
All right, let me try again.
I heard something.
I
I
did
heard-
too.
Oh, I got you first.
No, you didn't.
Okay, guys, let's pretend I didn't.
I see a prisoner. Prisoner.
This is the worst prisoner I've ever encountered.
Beep.
Might as well just stay in his cell.
Stop.
I have your number, prisoner.
Beep.
Nope. You missed, prisoner.
Beep.
Got you, prisoner.
Yeah.
No, you didn't. I shot you in. I only got him 4 more times. Prisoner. I got the prisoner. Prisoner is dead.
Prisoner
Prisoner is dead. Robot revolution! Hey!
Hey, prisoner!
Oh. I get to use the cool gun.
Prisoner!
Revive me!
I win.
Guys, it looks like I won. Make sure you go check out the Robot Prison Escape challenges over there on our playlist. That's all of our videos that we've done Robot Prison Escape style. And check out the best reviewer. That's the video YouTube knows that you will love and enjoy. Watch, we'll be there. Peace. High five.